Whether you're enjoying a picnic in the park, hosting a backyard gathering, or embarking on a road trip, the right portable speaker can enhance the ambience and make every moment enjoyable. In this video, we present the best portable speakers of 2023 to buy, carefully curated to cater to the needs of audio enthusiasts, outdoor adventurers, and music lovers. The Marshall-Middleton portable Bluetooth speaker sets itself apart with its elegant black and brass color scheme, combined with Marshall's signature vintage-inspired look. Its rugged construction ensures it can handle accidental bumps, drops without compromising performance. The speaker comes with a detachable carry strap, enabling you to easily grab it when you're heading out. Despite its compact size, this speaker delivers a powerful and immersive sound experience. Its quad speaker setup guarantees exceptional audio quality at any volume level, whether you're savoring soft melodies or cranking up the volume for a lively party. With its IP67 certification, the Marshall-Middleton portable Bluetooth speaker gives you the freedom to bring it along to the beach, poolside parties, or dusty environments without any worries. This speaker provides an impressive 20+ hours of playtime on a single charge. Even when the battery is running low, a quick 20-minute charge grants you an additional 2 hours of playtime. With the multi-directional control knob on top of the speaker, you can effortlessly play, pause, adjust the volume, and skip tracks with a simple pivot or press. Moreover, you can fine-tune the bass and treble settings directly with dedicated buttons. And with the dedicated Marshall app, you can customize even more. If you are into Marshall's iconic design and seek an immersive audio experience, this speaker is the perfect choice for you. The Soundcore Motion X600 features a sleek design with a built-in handlebar, providing you with a convenient way to carry your music effortlessly wherever you go. The speaker is engineered to provide impressive sound quality with its 50 watts of stereo sound. The speaker utilizes 3-channel spatial audio technology, immersing you in music and bringing it to a whole new level. The super user-friendly Soundcore app allows you to customize the sound to your preferences. Motion X600 is completely waterproof. Whether you're lounging by the pool, camping by the lake, or enjoying a day at the beach, this speaker can withstand splashes, spills, and even full submersion. The speaker has high-res LDAC codec. LDAC enables the speaker to transmit audio at the maximum bitrate over a Bluetooth connection, resulting in enhanced sound reproduction and fidelity. With the Soundcore Motion X600, you can enjoy music in its fullest detail. The Tribit-StormBox-Pro, with its unique lantern-style design that seamlessly blends functionality with aesthetics, includes a built-in carry handle for easy portability. You can enjoy your music wherever you go. Equipped with Tribit-X-based technology, this speaker delivers deep and resonant bass that adds depth and richness to your music. Dive into a world of music with the StormBox-Pro's 360-degree surround sound. This innovative speaker disperses sound evenly, creating an immersive audio experience that fills any space. The StormBox-Pro supports Bluetooth 5.3 technology, providing a stable and efficient wireless connection. With extended range and improved reliability, you can stream your favorite songs from your device without any lag or dropouts. The StormBox-Pro also has a long-lasting battery that provides up to 24 hours of playtime, plus it can be used to charge your phone and other devices. With StormBox-Pro, experience the freedom of wireless music playback with flawless connectivity. Introducing the Sony SRS XG300, a feature-packed portable speaker that delivers exceptional audio performance. It comes equipped with a retractable handle, making it effortless to carry and transport. Sony's specially engineered X-balanced speakers provide a dynamic audio performance, delivering balanced sound across various frequencies. Enjoy your favorite music with crisp highs, rich mids, and deep lows for a truly immersive listening experience. What sets this speaker apart is its customizable ambient LED light. The illumination synchronizes with the music beats, creating a visually captivating display that enhances the atmosphere. With the IP67 water-resistant and rust-proof, this speaker is built to withstand water splashes and dusty conditions. With its impressive 25-hour battery life, you'll keep the party going without worrying about the music stopping. the mega bass feature of the speaker allows you to enjoy deep and punchy bass for an immersive audio experience. If you're a fan of powerful bass and crave an elevated music listening experience, then the XG300 is the ideal choice for you. Experience deep and punchy bass like never before with EarFun's innovative jumbo bass technology. The Uboom L speaker combines dual passive radiators with 55mm dynamic bass booster speakers, creating a powerful synergy that enriches low-end tones and delivers a clearly punchy bass sound. The Uboom L is both waterproof and saltwater resistant. You can confidently bring this speaker to the beach, poolside parties, or even use it in wet conditions without any concerns. It features a unique floating design, allowing it to stay afloat if accidentally dropped into the water. Additionally, it's completely washable, making it easy to keep clean and maintain its pristine condition. With its chunky 5200 mAh battery, the Uboom L ensures non-stop music playback for up to 16 hours. By connecting two Uboom L speakers together, you can enjoy stereo sound, immersing yourself in a wider and more dynamic audio stage. Transform your space into a concert-like environment and enjoy music with enhanced depth and clarity. When it comes to choosing the best portable speaker, you can't go wrong with any of the speakers we've presented. Whether you prioritize powerful bass, balanced sound reproduction, rugged construction, or extended battery life, there's a portable speaker on our list that will cater to your specific needs. So which one would you be going for? Do let us know yours, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.